After watching this video, you will know how to overcome the root causes of poor training, typical poor training methods, what proper job instruction or JI looks like, the 5 2-hour training sessions, the 4-step training process.
So in our last training session, I provided you with an overview of training within industry and the benefits of what it could bring to your organization and the people within your organization. We also talked about the importance of standardization in training and how to put systems in place that would support respecting all the individuals within your organization. So in this session, we're going to get much more into the specifics of how one of the key modules, job instructions, actually works. And this, again, is the module that was by far the most popular of all in the 1940s, and with good reason. There was well over 1 million people who were certified in a short period of time to job instruction training. So it was very popular. And I'm going to provide an overview of how job instructions training actually works, and you're going to see the benefits, I hope, to such an approach. That's the idea. And then this will be followed up later with a much more detailed job instruction how-to session. So in the next session after this one, we'll talk a little bit more specifically about how to create a job breakdown sheet and how the process of training actually occurs and the relationship between the two. So the purpose of this training, though, I want to make sure that we all understand the purpose of this training is intended to give you an overview of what is covered in TWI job instruction training. It does not replace the training that you should need or should get as you participate in a real 10-hour session, as I've described before. Participation by each person is absolutely vital. So in other words, when you have the 10-hour session, you're going to hear me talk about this again later. When you have the 10-hour session, 2 hours a day for 5 days in a row, every one of you would demonstrate the use of job instruction to another person. So you would each be a trainer and a learner. And this is extremely vital to the overall training. Every time we do this, the rest of the group critiques what was good and what can be improved upon. And that is the way that we learn. It's all through repetition. Everyone experiences, everyone gets feedback, and that's actually absolutely vital.